In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a Trello board step by step. Whether you want to invite team members, give someone view-only access, or simply copy a public link to send to others, I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board that you want to share. In my case, I'm opening the training board, but this works the same way for any Trello board you own or manage. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area of the screen where you'll see the Share button. This is the first and most direct way to share your Trello board with others. Click on Share. A sharing window will pop up, giving you a few options. The first method is to create a joining link. Inside the Share panel, click on Create Link. Trello will generate a unique invite link that you can send to other people. Before copying the link, you can choose how people will join your board. You can set them to join as a member, which allows them to view and edit cards, lists, and other board content, depending on permissions, or you can set them as an observer, which allows them to view the board but not make changes. This is useful if you want to share progress with clients or stakeholders without giving editing access. Once you've selected the appropriate role, simply copy the generated link and send it to the person you want to invite. When they open the link, they'll be able to request access or join based on the settings you selected. Now let's look at the second method for sharing your Trello board. Instead of creating a joining link, you can share the board's direct web link. To do this, go to the right-hand side of your board and click on Menu. This opens the board menu with additional options. Inside the menu, click on Print, Export, and Share. When you click this option, you'll see a link to the board. You can copy this link and send it to anyone. However, it's important to understand how access works with this method. If the person you send the link to is already a member of the board, they'll be able to view and edit the board according to their assigned permissions. If they are not a member and the board is set to private, they won't be able to see anything. On the other hand, if your board visibility is set to public, then anyone with the link will be able to view the board, even if they are not a member. They still won't be able to edit unless you specifically invite them as a member, but they will be able to see the content. So to quickly recap, you have two main ways to share a Trello board. The first method is using the Share button to create a joining link and assign roles like member or observer. The second method is copying the board's web link through the menu under Print, Export, and Share. Always make sure you understand your board's visibility settings before sharing, especially if your board contains sensitive information. And that's it. That's exactly how to share a Trello board using both invite links and direct board links. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.